Welcome to this video, 100 tips and tricks in ABAP Tip 47. So in this video I would like to show and explain to you how you can use table expressions to find a line or an entry in an internal table quite easily. So here right now we are in the built-in ABAP editor in a transaction SE80, so the object navigator. And in here, basically, I have defined a type having two fields, the ID and the value. And then I have declared a sorted internal table using this type, and therefore for later usage I have also defined a structure, so a line basically of this internal table of this structure. Then within here I'm using the modern ABAP statement value to directly set entries and pre-fill the internal table quite easily. Last but not least, I'm using the static class cl_demo_output and the static method display to output the entries in this internal table. If we execute this program, then within here you can see the content of this internal table. And to select one entry in this internal table, so for example the ID 4, you can use in classic ABAP the read table statement. So therefore you can use read table, then specifying the internal table name, and then you have to save the result, the entry, in the structure in this variable, and then with table key, and then specifying the name of the table key, in this case the value 4, we are selecting this entry of this internal table and save it into the structure. And if we output it, so let's activate this in here and run this, then we can see that this entry has successfully selected and read. What you also can do is in modern ABAP, so you can use table expressions. And here, for example, you can use table expressions by specifying the internal table name, and then starting with bracket and ending with bracket, you have to specify the index of the entry that you would like to find and set it to the structure. So in this case, as index 1, we are selecting the first index, and then afterwards we are outputting this. So let's activate this and run this once again, and here this has successfully be selected. What you also can do is you can specify an value and attribute explicitly. So for example, value equals to, and for example, let's do it with test 10. So let's save this and activate this and run this once again. Then here we can see that now the 10th entry has been selected. So with modern table expression in internal tables. And yeah, I said this, if you have any questions left, please put them in the comment section. Please like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to not miss great upcoming videos. There are still 53 great videos about ABAP tips and tricks available, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.